Hey. Brought the whole crew. I'm Matt. Nice to meet you.
All right.
They're my
Pleasure.
parents.
I figured.
Ryan.
I figured. Renee.
I'm Lyndon. That's
Nice
John.
to meet you, and nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
So I already did a quick tour, but yeah, there's a few things that concern me right out of the gate. It's the price, and I mean, down the road, would you guys copy what other people did and add more space? Not that you have to. I'm just thinking that's where my mind immediately goes, because you're going to be limited in space in here.
Yeah.
Okay. Good. Okay. Yep.
Great.
So this is good. I'm going to kill this and guess. Sounds like something's tripping.
Tables in there.
There's a ton of tables in there, buddy. Nice. Got some professional help today. Look at this. I wonder if they know where we are. Oh, that is... You can get cool shots like this, too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not.
You're not looking down? Mister working on your vertical challengeness?
Hey,
What?
the elevators would be easier to take up all the stuff.
I like exercise, but you do what you want.
Valerie, nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm not really that out of shape. I'm just 9 months pregnant.
I'm not that out of shape, I promise.
Okay. Well, if that didn't put me into labor, I think we're good for it.
Yeah, you had a show in like 5 minutes from here, so it was pretty easy.
Good timing, eh? Eh?
Nope.
Yeah, these
There
things
were
are a
people
little
there.
tricky.
They just weren't you guys.
I'm not huge.
You don't like heights?
Not like maybe
It
Like
doesn't
if
bother
this was
me.
like outside, like hiking, I'd be completely fine.
Okay.
Man-made hikes.
Calling me, they say we're going to offer you 150K for your house. They come and they show up, and then they say, and after they walk around, they say, listen, we can only do 40.
Yeah.
And he was so frustrated with so many of these guys doing it. He's like, I just want them to be off my hands. So we made a handshake deal. I bought it for him, from him. in
Well, tell them the
cash.
property. You were there on Sea Cane.
Yeah.
In Sea Cane, you
one?
took the sign down for me. The little 2-bedroom.
The
South
right
Providence?
on South
Yeah.
Avenue, yeah.
Yeah, we were
South
South
Avenue,
Avenue.
yeah.
Okay. We
So-
grew up
Oh, that
seeing
place.
it.
I got it.
Park.
Yeah, he and his team really helped guide me through, and that was my first my virgin flip.
Flip,
Right,
yeah.
I didn't know what I was doing.
Right.
I mean, I was stacking trash
you
out in the
fixed it
front.
up.
Yeah, I was. Yeah, I mean,
And
it
flip
didn't
it.
need a ton of work.
Right.
But
Right.
now what that house sold for, it's gone up in value $70,000
It's insane.
since the offers came in March.
Of course, they know.
I know,
We know, we see
believe
it.
me,
We see it all the time.
Because of the
Yeah.
rent, right?
Yeah.
So right
Yeah.
there on South Avenue, the rents for a 2-bedroom had been risen to 1,500. Now they're 17 to 2K.
It's insane.
So if I own that building outright, right? I did it in cash.
Yeah.
I bought it
Yeah.
outright.
Right.
If I would've
Oh, you're
saved-
renting it?
No, if I would have
He flipped it and just took the
yeah,
money
flipped it and took
Okay.
the money. But if I would have kept it,
Yeah.
that 2K recurring,
every single month. I told you, that's why I haven't sold a single
That's what he's
property.
been doing
Yeah.
He's been
I know.
stocking them up.
Since 2008.
yeah. So I'm waiting for a crash or a
Yeah, that's,
correction.
you know what? Save your cash.
I
What
do.
He did.
Yep.
And
Buy,
I just
man.
need to start going out.
I
and
know.
around, whatever.
When
But he needs something for his family
so
now.
my family, I
Wow.
have a 18-week-old,
Oh.
a 2-year-old,
Yeah.
and a 14-year-old that's in 8th grade getting ready to go to high school.
Oh, so that's why you're looking at this.
So
Yep.
so I don't want them to start high school,
Yeah.
and then have to switch.
Yeah.
And honestly, Delco has just become like,
Yeah, I know.
you know what I mean? It's
We
just,
know.
Out there, man.
you know
We're
what I
up
mean?
Seeking.
It's become,
We're up
oh,
Seeking.
so I live in so I
Off Woodside Avenue. Off
Eight-
Bishop.
Wyndham Terrace. You
Oh,
familiar
I
with
had a
Wyndham
house
Terrace?
there.
Yeah, I know.
I had
So
a house
my mom's house is 869.
there. Mine was 853.
Okay.
Dude, it's right there.
Yeah. So 869. That's me.
Well, I'm gonna sell the one I sent it to you. You were there. 862, I think.
862.
I'll send it to you. It's gonna go up. She has to find a place before she sells, though.
That's near
862.
right
Yeah.
there too.
I think it's
How many
860.
bedrooms
It's only 2 upstairs.
Yeah, it's insane what
I
they're
know.
going for.
They have a
because
pool. If you know the one, they have a pool in their backyard.
So I tried to buy 871 from the bank and everything, and they want, and I was
That was a while ago.
Yeah, and I offered cash. I'm like, listen, I'll take, but there was 2 feet of water in the basement, and it was all this.
Well, you know, there was a lot of springs there.
yeah.
Yeah,
You
That's
know
why
that.
there's no basements there.
They just
All
did.
crawl
The
spaces
townships,
or
the
concrete.
townships just paid for like over 100K in drainage at my mom's place.
Yeah.
But anyway, make a long story short, I wound up not getting that deal, which is I kicked myself in the butt for, because now it's like
course.
you know what I mean. But hindsight's always 20/20.
Yeah, anything would have made you money if you bought it 2 years ago. You can't.
Yeah,
you
That's
can't
it,
think
you
that.
can't
Yeah.
go wrong. Yeah. Even
Yeah.
cars are going out of sight.
Yeah, I'm going to a dealership after this. I am. I literally am going to a dealership
Really?
after this to get. I was rear-ended. I was hit by a drunk driver. And I'm not gonna get into it, but
Yeah.
my nose, my nose and my orbital sockets are broken or have fractures. Right. So anyway, everyone's good. I'm the most probably blessed man you'll ever meet. I say it to everyone. You have no idea.
Yeah.
You know the stuff that I've.
He was in the military.
Oh yeah.
So
Yeah.
What?
Marine Corps.
Good.
Yeah, so I you know, I was a machine gunner, so I'm the most blessed guy you'll ever see. So anyway,
All right, well, good luck with
Well, let's check it out.
Yeah.
You gotta check out the upstairs. All right, on this snowy day, we sold one in Franklin Station. So this looks beautiful. We're in media. If you don't know about this, then I believe this is the first resale in the development. So we certainly had our hiccups with the HOA. All have been resolved, and we're good to go. Door, is that all right?
Oh, of course.
Because it's almost like I don't think anyone else could have pulled this off, Mason. And you had a say too. Watch all the coppers going. No joking.
Yeah. It worked.
How is it? All right, well, do your thing, and just real quick on the whole process. I know there were some hiccups, but with Avenue to close and everything else, anything you can say?
Oh gosh, Avenue to Close was awesome. Perfect.
Hey, well, congratulations.
Thank you, Matt.
Thanks.